Did you know that excessive sugar consumption is linked to numerous health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease? In fact, the average American consumes about 17 teaspoons of sugar every day, which is more than double the recommended daily limit. But don't worry. There are healthier alternatives out there that can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Welcome back to Health Watch Daily, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of sugar substitutes. We'll be sharing the top 5 natural alternatives to refined sugar that not only taste great but also offer health benefits. So, if you're looking to cut back on sugar without sacrificing sweetness, stay tuned. Now, let's unveil the top 5 sugar substitutes that are both delicious and beneficial for your health. Number 1. Stevia. Derived from the leaves of the stevia plant, this natural sweetener is calorie-free and up to 300 times sweeter than sugar. It doesn't raise blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for diabetics or those watching their sugar intake. Number 2. Honey. Not just a sweet treat, honey is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It has antibacterial properties and can even soothe a sore throat. Remember, raw and unprocessed honey retains the most nutrients. Number 3. Maple syrup. Made from the sap of sugar maple trees, maple syrup is not only sweet but also contains antioxidants and minerals like zinc and manganese. It's a natural source of energy and can be a great addition to your morning pancakes. If you're enjoying this video and finding our content valuable, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to Health Watch Daily. Your support helps us continue to deliver quality content to our community. Now, let's get back to our list. Number 4. Coconut sugar. Extracted from the sap of the coconut palm, coconut sugar has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar levels as drastically. Plus, it's rich in minerals like iron, zinc, and potassium. Number 5. Dates. These sweet fruits are not only delicious but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Dates can be blended into a paste and used in baking or smoothies as a natural sweetener. By making the switch to these natural sugar substitutes, you can enjoy the sweetness in your meals and drinks without the negative health impacts of refined sugar. It's all about making smarter choices for a healthier lifestyle. In conclusion, while sugar might be tempting, there are numerous natural alternatives that offer a sweet taste without the associated health risks. By incorporating these sugar substitutes into your diet, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, delicious flavors and better health. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Health Watch Daily for more health insights and tips. We're here to help you live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay sweet and healthy.